There's no way Ugutu Ramaphosa is not an agent. There's no way. Ramaphosa agent, bafethu. Ramaphosa agent. I mean, ye people, president, ye ANC, oke wayizwa ixeka ANC the way uRamaphosa xeke ANC ngakhona. And do you know what that means? Angikhaleli mina ngikhalela ukuthi uRamaphosa uxeke ANC. Ngikhaliswa ukuthi abaholi be-ANC abantu abamnyama. So uRamaphosa is planting into yokuthi abantu abamnyama cannot govern. Into ayishoyo kahle kahle ukuthi hayi abantu abamnyama ningayivoteli i-ANC, votelani i-DA. Uzuyasho nayo ukuthi i-DA it governs better. It governs better kanjani? Kuphi? Where does it govern better? Where does it govern better? Because if EDA was governing better, you wouldn't have shootings the way they are happening in Western Cape. Each and every day, there are people who get killed in Western Cape. Gang violence. Where are they governing better? What is the standard of governing better? Toy. Ramaphosa agent, bafethu. And you see, the sooner we remove Ramaphosa, the better. The sooner we remove ANC, the better. The sooner we remove EGNU, the better. These people are my agent. They are not here to try and change status quo. They bona bafuna nje izinto ukuthi ziqhubeke ngalendlela ezingakhona or zibe worse. In fact, if you can look at it properly, you can see ukuthi kahle kahle South African natives, we are being pushed away. We are being pushed out of South Africa. Like Palestinians are being pushed out of Palestine, Gaza, the West Bank. The entire Palestine is exactly what is happening here. The only difference here, I mean, akunama bomb, but we don't know what ama bomb azoqhuma because clearly something must happen. Something needs to give. Ramaphosa, we can't look at Ramaphosa and think this guy is a president. Umuntu ozosukuma sibuza athi we must ask ourselves why people are unemployed. Whereas he said it's not irresponsibility ye state to ensure ukuthi abantu banemisebenzi, but irresponsibility ye state to ensure ukuthi abantu bathola ama-370. Ne man uRamaphosa ucabanga ukuthi sabantwana, ucabanga ukuthi asikwazi ukusebenzisa amakhanda ethu, ucabanga ukuthi siyiphuphu njengaye. No, we can't allow Ramaphosa bafethu to continue running this country to the ground as he is. Ramaphosa, ANC, GNU, we must remove these people. Ask yourself ukuthi what makes abantu base Saudi Arabia to have more money than South Africans? Why? Saudi Arabia is using oil yabo to ensure ukuthi abantu base Saudis live better lives. Tina, we have all sorts of minerals you can think of. All sorts of minerals you can think of. But none of those minerals are working for us, natives of this country. Who's fooling who? Who's fooling who? These people are allowing ukuthi amakhampani avalwe. They are allowing ama-mine ukuthi avalwe. Amanye ama-mine angavalwa asebenzisa imishini so that kunga-employwa abantu. Capitalism. No, we must remove this thing. We must remove this thing because it does not benefit us. This whole system here, capitalism, will never benefit us. It does not benefit us. It will never benefit umuntu mnyama. The only thing that will happen is people will be told to go to school. You go to school for 12 years, university, get a PhD and whatnot. After Lapo, you'll be unemployed. Then what's the purpose? And then they say, no, you can go to other countries and get jobs there. Who said we want to go to other countries? Who said we want to let go of South Africa? Who said that? No, we don't want to go to other countries. We want to stay here and work for our land and work for our country. People did not die for this country so that we can go and be foreigners in England and be foreigners in Italy and be foreigners in China or whatnot, or America. No, people did not die for that. People died so that this country can work for us. Minerals of this country can work for us. Masithi sifuna umhlaba, we are talking about our minerals. We're talking about the sea. We're talking about ocean economy. There's a lot of economy. ANC ayisakhulumi nge-ocean economy. The last time the ANC spoke about the ocean economy was under President Jacob Zuma. It's a fact. You like it or not, it's a fact. I'm not here to speak for President Zuma. I'm saying ANC ayisakhulumi about ensuring ukuthi people live better lives in South Africa. When was the last time ANC built a school? When was the last time? When was the last time ANC built a isibhedlela or university or even indlela? When was the last time? They don't have the capacity. They don't want to do it. So we must remove them. Because they don't want to work. Abafuni, abazimisele ukusebenza. We must remove them. By all means necessary. I don't care ukuthi ANC siyisusa kanjani bafethu. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care ukuthi ANC siyisusa kanjani. If it means we must remove ANC ngazo zonke indlela. And mangithi by all means necessary, I'm also including votes. Because I know ukuthi abanye bazothi hey mangithi by all means necessary, then I'm instigating violence. Fuck it. I'm not instigating violence. I'm saying we must remove ANC. If it means we must remove it violently, then so be it. Angasoncenga ANC la. Angasoncenga abo Ramaphosa. I mean, come on, bafethu le athi le ithi ayazi umshana. uRamaphosa akazi umshana wakhe. Aye, bafethu, we've seen it all. We've seen it. We can't continue like this. We cannot mend it. We have to end it. We have to end all of this nonsense ezekala in South Africa. And whoever ozolandela kumele azi ukuthi if you are unable to deliver, we are going to remove you. Asingancengani bafethu, asingancenganini ngecountry yethu. That is where we should draw the line. That is where we should draw the line. Ayingancengani. If you do not have the capacity, if you do not know what you are supposed to do, remove yourself or we are going to remove you. Singancenge ANC man. Akasoncenga ANC. Angeke we cannot defeat the apartheid and then bese sihlula ukudefeat ANC. Can't. We can't. If it means we must shut down the country for years, let's do it. Let's do it. They don't have the capacity to stop izinto ezirong ezenzakalayo la South Africa, but they will be threatening to kill us and shoot us when we protest. Oh, kill us. I mean, if you think killing me because I'm standing up for South Africa, then you